Alright, ladies and gentlemen, remember to keep all hands, feet, arms, legs, eyes, balls, everything inside the ride at all times. Please enjoy your trip on Cartwheel. Oh no! We're being swallowed by worms. The
Here comes
worms?
the sand.
It's a huge octopus. You gotta kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Oh, it's taking over. I'm gonna die in this trap. It's Noah and the giant fish. We're being swallowed. No, I can't see. Hello, I want light. Octopus. Oh no! And scrubbers from the east and west! Where shall we turn? We're going to run into them! Oh! I want this big toothbrush!
Isn't this fun?
Dancing brooms! Dancing
Fun to
brooms!
see?
I see blue stuff in dancing brooms! Oh no!
Supposed to be blue.
Yeah, we're getting a special wax. It's supposed to. The brooms are taking over again. Nowhere to turn except forward. Turn forward. Turn to the right. To the right. Oh, and there shall come soft rains on that scary day. Now this is cool. This little rainbow here is going to get some spray. Check it. It says spot remover or something. Look, it's cleaning up, like, cleaning. We're in a waterfall, did you see it? Are you happy? Glorious day.
Then we'll get dry.
Oh, did you see this part? Scary.